Click on the link below to get price. The Nikon NIKKOR Z 180-600mm f/5. 6:6, 3 VR lens is a remarkable piece of equipment that excels in capturing distant subjects with impressive clarity and detail. Designed for Nikon's Z-series mirrorless cameras, this lens offers a versatile focal range, making it ideal for wildlife, sports, and landscape photography. One of the standout features of this lens is its exceptional zoom capability. Spanning from 180mm to 600mm, it provides photographers with incredible flexibility. The lens is surprisingly compact for its reach, weighing in at just under 4.5 pounds, which makes it manageable for extended shooting sessions. The build quality is solid, with a weather-sealed design that can withstand various environmental conditions, ensuring durability during outdoor adventures. The image quality produced by the NIKKOR Z 180-600mm is outstanding. With a maximum aperture of f/5. 6:6, it performs well in various lighting conditions, and coupled with Nikon's vibration reduction (VR) technology, it significantly minimizes camera shake, allowing for sharper images even at the long end of the zoom range. This feature is particularly beneficial for handheld shooting, as it provides up to 5 stops of compensation. Bokeh is another impressive aspect of this lens, thanks to its 9-blade rounded diaphragm, which creates a beautiful background blur that enhances subject isolation. Autofocus performance is swift and accurate, thanks to the lens's stepping motor, making it suitable for fast-moving subjects. Included in the package is a filter kit that adds value, allowing photographers to protect the lens and experiment with different effects. Overall, the Nikon NIKKOR Z 180-600mm f/5. 6:6, 3 VR lens is a fantastic investment for both amateur and professional photographers seeking a reliable and high-performing telephoto lens. Its combination of optical quality, versatility, and build makes it a standout choice in the ever-evolving world of photography equipment.